Hi guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another kit from Double Dip Nails to review. This time it is a Polygel kit actually, and I have not reviewed any Polygel kits from them before, so this will be my first one. The brand name for the series of new Polygel kits they have on their website are called Vena. And this kit is called the Fresh Start. The current price for this kit right now on their website is $59.79. It is on a discount though. So I've not tried any of Double Dip's Polygel products, so I'm curious to see what these are like. So I'm just going to open this up right now. It's funny, the holographic box is reflecting a ton of rings from my ring light. All right, so we're going to open this up. So here's the box. Some things look like they got a little bit messed up in shipping. Definitely seems like the theme of this kit is rainbowy, like holographic. So let's look at the box here. We have the 6 colors of Polygel right here. We have the brush, we have a file, and here we have base coat and top coat. The sculpting solution, so it does include this, and it also includes a little mini lamp right here along with the cord. We have this little kit of little gems that you can put in a nail. We have a couple little pots of glitters here. And then we have a package of forms right here. I really do like this like velvety kind of material here. So I am curious to right now get into looking at what these colors look like. And then after that and playing around with the colors and seeing what design I could do, I'm going to do something on my mannequin hand with the products here and really get to play around and see what we think. So yeah, let's first get right into the swatching. Alright, so here are all the colors. They have the different numbers on them, but I'm just going to start with one of them. So this is what the color looks like. I thought it actually is kind of the color, which is, it's kind of hard to see because it's so holographic, but on the tube it shows like this yellow color. So it is kind of like a yellowy color here. Next up, this one looks like it's going to be like a light pink or a nude. So this looks like a light pink. That's kind of pretty. I like that. Now we have, this looks like it's going to be a green color. And yep, this is a really pretty green here. I'm kind of getting the same vibe from all of these colors. And next we're going to have, it looks kind of like an orange on here, but it actually looks more of like a pink or like a coral. So kind of similar to this one, except has a little bit more of the orangey red look. This next one, 150 Rainbow, it shows on the tube that it has little specks, and I thought it was like a problem with the packaging, but it's actually because this one has little glitters in it. So this one is kind of, I'd say it's a clear, but it has like little glitters in it, so that's cool. And then lastly we have 072. And this is going to be this super pretty blue color here. That is pretty. Alright, so here we have all of the colors. These are all really pretty and bright and fun. So anyways, I'm going to go cure these in the lamp that came, and then I will do something on my mannequin hand with it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so to start off this mani, what I'm actually going to do is apply the base coat to all the nails. And I know it might sound weird to be like wasting my product in this sense because I don't actually need to like last very long on the mannequin hand, but actually I did find that with doing Polygel nails on my mannequin hands, actually sometimes the Polygel that I would cure would actually pop off of the plastic nail tip that I use as the nail for my mannequin hand, and that would happen like mostly while I'm filing. So I figured out that a great way to avoid that was just to use a layer base coat first. So I'm going to start off on the pinky, so I grabbed the forms, and these tips that I'm using in my mannequin hand are size 5, but I found that the size 6 dual form fit best on the pinky nail at least. So I'm going to start by using the light pink. I kind of want to do like a long square nail and then do like a chevron on it. So I was originally thinking that if I had already had longer nails on this mannequin hand, like with a tip on, I could use the brush to shape out the V shape of a pink chevron and then add in other colors on the sides. Since I am starting off with short nails, I'm going to use the form to sculpt a pink extension, and then I'm going to use some gel polish afterwards to probably paint some chevron V lines onto it. So I did get the builder gel liquid from the bottle and put into a little cup to use, and super easy to maneuver in that it went basically exactly where I wanted it to go. There was no sticking at all. And then here I'm going to be applying it to the pinky nail and just pressing it down a little bit. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. Alright, so now I'm going to take the form off. Really cute pink color, very natural looking. I think it's just a little bit sheer. But I'm going to use the file here to shape these. I did notice one part of the file got a little bit damaged. I think it might have been like the way I pulled it out of the box. So my original plan was to make long square pink nails and then paint with gel polish to make a chevron on them. But on the ring nail, I decided to try an ombre with the pink and another color. And then after seeing how that ombre nail turned out, I kind of got hooked on it and decided I wanted to make one with all the colors. So I went on to make a yellow ombre, a green ombre, and actually with the green one, this is the only nail that I had a problem with it breaking. When I was trying to take off the form, I think I might have been a little bit too rough on it and it broke, but I was able to make another one. And then I decided on the pinky to not do that plain pink nail and decide to use the kind of a orangey red with the pink ombre. And what was funny is I noticed that when I put these colors under the lamp that they kind of change color. So when you see here, when I first took it out of the lamp, it actually looked white, which kind of surprised me. It all of a sudden looked like a French tip, but then the color kind of changed back to the orange red color that we had before. So then here they were. I really liked the confetti polygel that was in this kit, the one with the little glitters in it. And I was trying to think of a way to use it. So I actually went ahead and put it on this nail to see what it looked like. At first I put the glitter over the whole nail, but I thought it just looked a little bit too crazy at that point. So I just put it on the colored part and then kind of faded upwards, and I thought it looked really cute. So that is how that one looked, and I'm actually just going to go and put the glitter on for the rest of the nails. I'm just squeezing it out onto the tip and then using the brush to pat it out and spread it around. I'm putting most of the glitter on the colored part at the tip of the nail, but then kind of gradually fading it outwards. And I thought it made the nails look really cute and fun, kind of like already how they were with like the different colors going on. But yeah, I found this polygel very easy to work with. So I'm going to cure once I have applied all the glitter to the nails. And then I'm going to file them. I'm going to take the file that was included in this kit and just smooth out the surface. So after I filed those, this is what the nails are looking like. I'm now going to top coat these. So I'm going to get the top coat from the box, and I'm just going to apply this to all the nails. And the direction says to apply top coat and cure for UV lamp for 60 seconds and repeat one more. So I think that means that I can put 2 layers of top coat. And I did notice that the last polygel kit that I tried, 2 layers of top coat on the polygel seemed to make it more shiny because the first one wasn't quite it. But once I take this out of the lamp, I'm going to see what it looks like. So, alright, so I think these actually look pretty good, but I am going to put another coat of top coat anyway. And I did play around with putting a few of the different rhinestones on the nails to see what they would look like. But in the end, I thought that the design looked best when it was just plain. So here is how these nails turned out. I think they are super cute, and I had a lot of fun while doing these. Alright, so my final thoughts on this kit are, products are super easy to work with. They're very bright, and I also noticed a little bit afterwards that the blue polygel, here this one actually glows in the dark. Yeah, as you can see there, just that part of the nail is lit up, and then also you can see the little sample on my paper here is also lit up. So I thought it was kind of funny that just the blue one glows in the dark, but it is still a cool effect. So I will leave the link to this kit below in the description. I do also have a code for 20% off. I'll put it up on the screen. I believe it's Polish Queen 20, and you can get 20% off anything from Double Dip's site, like their dip powders, the polygel, and everything basically that they sell. So a big thank you to Double Dip for sending this kit for me to review, and a big thank you to you guys for watching. Click below here to see a video of me reviewing Double Dip's dip powders. So I hope to see you all in my next video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want for more content like this. So until next time, have a magical day.